Welcome back to your daily dose of discovery. Let's unravel today's intriguing question.
Defrosting 500 grams of mince in the fridge usually takes about 24 hours. For the best results, place the mince in a dish to catch any drips and avoid contaminating other foods. It's important to plan ahead to ensure the mince is thoroughly defrosted in time for cooking. Remember, once defrosted, cook within 24 hours for safety and quality.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.